How safe is your practice? That one question covers a lot. But what about how you handle instruments? When contaminated instruments are loose, you are more at risk for a Sharps injury. This means exposure to infectious diseases such as hepatitis B, hepatitis C, HIV, and post-exposure management expenses. In fact, the CDC estimates Sharps injuries cost up to $3,000 per incident. So how do you improve safety? Simple. Minimize your contact with contaminated instruments. Our instrument management system keeps your instruments protected and secured within a cassette during transportation and throughout reprocessing. So the only time you touch an instrument is when you're in the operatory with your patient. Less exposure, less risk, better results. With the instrument management system, you can improve safety and compliance at your office. Connect with Ufreedy Group to learn why instrument management is right for you.